Hi everybody, it's Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. If you please remember, please click like and subscribe. I haven't done a video in, God, I can't remember. I think it's definitely over a week. And the reason for that is because after I started doing this, my brother, bless him, thank you for shout out to Big Brothers, sends a huge box of food. So it was from HelloFresh. And it's really great, really easy way to cook for people who don't like to cook or don't know how to cook, but I know how to cook. So I didn't, instead of wasting it, I used it, but I really didn't want to record someone else's recipes. So, and even though I look at recipes, I generally kind of alter it to kind of fit my, what I want. Add this, add that, whatever. So, today I made something I've made in the past, so I decided to film it. All right, and there you have it, a sushi stack and a bowl. Cauliflower rice bowl, purple cauliflower rice. I should have used a bigger bowl, and then you probably would have been able to see the beauty of the different colors a little better, but I didn't, so next time. But there you go. Lunch for two different styles, same ingredients, quick and easy. So before I get into the recipe and how I did the bowl and the sushi stack, or the Cheater's Guide to Sushi, I just want to point out a couple of tips, because sometimes for lunch you don't really feel like going and doing a whole lot of steps. So one of the things I did is I went in the food processor and I used it to make rice with the cauliflower. Then I stored the remainder in these jars. I'm actually going to order some larger jars because this is a good idea, but this is perfect for, I don't know what size this is, but it's in my hand. So it's perfect to make ahead of time. And then you can just throw this in a bowl, cover it with saran wrap, and microwave it for 3.5 minutes. And then add just a little bit of rice wine vinegar, just a little. And then that's that for the cauliflower rice. The other thing you can do ahead of time is you can make, well, as you see here, I've already used this, but you can also boil your shrimp ahead of time and just have those cut up and put into a container and just throw them in a bowl or whatever when you're ready to eat lunch. You can also have everything that you need cut up. These come already cut up, and in a container and kept to the side. It just just calls for prepping a little bit ahead of time. But I think that's a good tip for those of us that don't like to spend a lot of time on lunch, preparing lunch. The first thing I prepped was my purple cauliflower. I took the food processor and just blitzed it a little bit to make cauliflower rice. I put it in the bowl, and then I set that to the side, and I did the exact same thing with the white cauliflower and put that to the side. The extra that I had left over, I put in little small jars, and the jars are a good individual size, so in the future, if you can just dump it in a bowl and then microwave it or steam it. So now we've got all our ingredients that we need to basically start putting together our dish. We have our cucumbers, we have our seaweed, we have our grated carrots, we have some sliced green onions that I've soaked in rice wine vinegar, avocado that I diced up and I squeezed it with a little lime and salted, our prawns that were boiled in salted water. Put all your ingredients together. We have soy sauce, we have seaweed, we have cucumber, we have carrots, And you can put together any ingredients that you want. It's just, just makes it easier to prep ahead of time. We have our purple cauliflower rice, our white cauliflower rice. And we also have our soy sauce. You can use low sodium if you like. We have our wasabi paste or powder, whichever you prefer. We have our sesame oil, which actually I ended up not using, and then I have shrimp for the bowl that I tossed in sriracha mayo. And then the rice wine vinegar that you'll use to make in the cauliflower rice. This is something I love. It's a little handy to make the stacks. So if you can find one, I would highly suggest these are really great. And if you like to have fun plating, I definitely get them. So if you have a cylinder that you pull up, you're going to go from base to top. So you'll start with your cauliflower rice. Then next you will add your avocado. My avocado, I drizzled it with a little bit of lime juice and just a little bit of salt. And then top that with your chopped up cucumbers. And you're going to set everything in place. After you slowly pull up the cylinder, this is what you're going to end up with. And I topped it off with some seaweed and green onion that I soaked in the rice vinegar. So for our cauliflower rice bowl, we're going to start with a bowl of the red cauliflower rice. So now we're going to add our prawns that are tossed in the sriracha mayo. Add some cucumber. Then we'll add the rest of our ingredients. Any way you want, any ingredients you want. You can actually use salmon or tuna. And then there's your bowl. And as you see, I had a little fun with the presentation. I just added a couple of dots of the wasabi mayo sauce and a little of sriracha mayo sauce and some ginger pieces. And also, I'm right before serving. You have it. What you'll do is you'll pour soy sauce over your sushi stack right before you serve it. A bowl. And then you can add a little bit of the sriracha mayo. I should have used a bigger bowl, and then you probably would have been able to see the beauty of the different colors a little better, but I didn't, so next time. But there you go. Lunch for two different styles, same ingredients, quick and easy. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please don't forget to comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.